Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify one-product store. First, selecting the right product is crucial. Look for something unique with strong demand and a good profit margin. Next, deeply understand your target audience. Knowing their needs helps tailor your marketing. Finally, clearly define what makes your product special. This unique selling proposition will set your brand apart and attract the right customers to your store. Once your product is chosen, it's time to build your Shopify store. Select a clean, professional theme that emphasizes your single product and encourages purchases. Craft engaging product descriptions that clearly communicate benefits and features, making customers eager to buy. Simultaneously, establish strong relationships with reliable suppliers. They should provide high-quality products and ensure efficient, timely shipping to keep your customers happy. With your store ready, focus on marketing. Targeted social media ads are excellent for reaching your specific audience and generating initial interest. Don't forget email marketing. It's powerful for nurturing leads, building customer loyalty, and encouraging repeat purchases. High-quality photos and videos are essential to showcase your product's best features. Visuals help customers envision themselves using your product, boosting their desire to buy. Now it's time to launch your store. Start with a well-defined marketing strategy and consider initial promotional offers to attract early customers. Continuously monitor your sales data and gather customer feedback. This information is invaluable for optimizing your store, improving product offerings, and enhancing the overall customer experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office. Scaling your business effectively means constant learning and adaptation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.